Hello, this is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Date today is November 1st, 2024. And my question to all my students, especially in the area of physics, let me ask you a question. Does a motion of a body, okay, impact the weight? That is a question for you. Well, let's look. So let's say we have a ball. That ball has a certain mass. Let's call it mass is equal to m, okay, and let's say that weight is basically 150 newton. I can write this in newton because if you recall, when the ball is coming down, the force which is pulling down is weight, okay, that weight is the force. So that's why I can write this into as newtons. So question for you is, now if we have the same ball which was coming free fall downwards, right? And we said the weight is 150 newtons. If I take the ball and toss it up with some force which causes acceleration of 20 meter per second square, that is, it's going up in the air and the velocity is increasing every second 20 meters per second. What would be the weight? Question. Weight is independent of motion. Weight is independent of mass, or mass is independent of weight. So it will be 150 Newton. So I guess you could say that it might have been like a trick question or something. Now let me ask you this. In this scenario, I tossed the ball up with an acceleration of 20 meters per second square. In this scenario, the one in red, same ball, I take it and I push it down, I throw it down, or I drop it down with some force which causes an acceleration of -5 meter per second square. The reason I have negative sign is because it's being pushed downwards. So let me ask you this. In this scenario, what would be the weight? Any guesses? Well, the weight still would be 150 newtons. Okay. The point of explaining this example is to make you understand that weight is independent of motion. Okay. And also, if you check out my couple of previous lectures, I've explained that weight and mass also are totally independent of each other. Okay. So go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.